Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a kids kneecap review. So in case you guys are looking for a kids kneecap, then definitely this review will help you. So this one I have ordered from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it works. So this is the kneecap protector. This is a with a kneecap and elbow pads. So let's open it and see. This is how it looks, and so these are the knee pads. You can see. Yeah, this is like. So these are for like kids. So it's above 3 years. So this is how. Yeah. Yeah, so these are the plastic thing, and here inside some cushion. And this portion are like plastic, and the inside portion is some cushion. And this way we have some like, this is like elastic band, so it's easily you can adjust the band. It's like a snap closer, so it's easily closed. The kneecap look. Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it good? Is it working fine for you? Like it?
Do you?
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
You like it?
Wow.
So as you can see, there are two sets. So one is smaller one and one is bigger one. The smaller one we can use it for the elbow, and the bigger one we can use it for the knee. And this one is for the hand. Is it okay? Do you like it? Guys, he wear this. Yeah, it's like really protective for him. So do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yes. 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 So this is how it works. You can put this this one in the thumb, and this portion like this way, and this one like this way. See, really easy.
Wow, really nice.
So guys, I tested it with my son and he likes it. So yeah, I hope it's like a great product for your kids. If you are looking for a kids kneecap and elbow cap, then definitely you can try this one. So so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.